You are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob. Today I am going to explain you isometric view problem which is of machine component as shown in the figure. It is a question and this is the orthographic view, that is front view and top view. And how to draw this front view, top view, isometric view I am going to explain you in detail, and please watch my videos till the end and also do by yourself, then only you will come to understand. And this problem is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students of 10 to 15 marks for different branches. So guys, watch my videos till the end and also share, like and subscribe my channel, and please press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos. Now I will start my question. Draw the isometric view of the machine component shown in figure. This is the machine component, front view, top view, and this is the orthographic view. Now how to draw this front view, top view, isometric view I am going to explain you. So before starting this, front view I am drawing from here, means from here if I draw drawing the front view with this angle. You can draw with this angle also, it's up to you. So first I am drawing front view from here and top view from here, and in the question side view is not given, so automatically you will have the side view also. So first I am drawing front view with the dimensions given in the question. Okay, so how much is the front view width, that is given in the question dimension, that is of 50 mm, means 20, 15, 15, 50, total is 50. With this line we have to draw 50 mm like this on this angle. You have to start front view. 50 mm I have drawn. Now this line we have to draw, means how much in this box this section is there. First you have to draw this. Okay, and how much is the line? 15 plus 35, 50, means 50 mm we have to draw straight. Okay, so from this end we have to draw with this line, perpendicular line, it should be 50 mm like this, and from here 50 mm like this. Okay, then after drawing these two lines, how much is the line? This divide, and this here in the top view is given you 15 mm, 15 mm. So with this angle, 30-degree angle only, we have to draw 15 mm, 15 mm. From this end 15 mm and from this end 15 mm like this. Then after, this line is 35, 35. This line we have to draw 35, means straight perpendicular to this line we have to draw 35 mm line like this, and from this end 35 mm like this. And join this line, you will automatically get the line, this much line, that is of 20 mm. If you measure it, you will have 20 mm line only. Now from front view, this U-shaped section I have drawn. The remaining this square, after drawing the top view, we will get this square also. So now we have to draw the top view, means from front view only, if you stand here and we have to draw the top view. So this top view we have to draw. In this box, how much you are having this lines, that lines only we have to draw. Okay, the top view width is, total width is 50 mm only, so automatically we will have 50 mm, means 15, 15, 20, 15, 15, and this is 20, 50 mm. This is over now. Now this line we have to draw, that is of also 35 mm, sorry 50 mm. 35 plus 15 is 50. This line we have to draw 50, 50 mm. Okay, with this parallel lines. Okay, so this should be of 50 mm from here, and from here this end we have to draw 50 mm, means this figure will exactly copy here 50 mm. This line automatically you will get 50 mm. See, in this scale also I am getting 50 mm. So just join it, when this line is over. Now remaining these lines we have to draw, that is 35 mm, 35 mm. So with this line only parallel, adjust your mini drafter, or if you have a set square you can draw a parallel line, and it is of 35 mm. These lines I am drawing 35 mm from here and from here. Then after this line automatically of 20 mm you will get. See, just join it. Then after drawing this top view, if you see The front view means if you see from the front, this U section is visible. The square section, if you see means here only you have to draw a line here straight like this. This square also visible from the front, means this front view is over now. Now if you see from the top, this shape section is visible like this, standing from here only, this section is visible, and this square rectangle shape section you have to draw. For that, with this 30-degree angle only, you have to just draw a line like this. That square section rectangle shape also visible from the top, and that section is top view, and this is the front view. If you see this figure from the front, that is visible, I have drawn, and from the top, that is also visible, seen. Now for the side view, just in the question here, it doesn't give the side view, so just you have to draw a straight perpendicular line with this angle and join this line where side view is also completed. And this is the complete solution of this question, that is isometric view of the machine component as shown in the figure of orthographic view, and this is the isometric view. Hope guys, if you like my videos, please share my videos, like, subscribe, and also practice by yourself. Then only you will come to understand how to draw this problem. And please, after watching my videos, please practice by yourself, then only you come to understand. And also press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos. Thank you.